Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back with my unboxing of the Motorola Moto G6 Plus. So let's get started. So typical Motorola packaging. And there's the phone. Let's take that out, put it aside for now. See what else is in the box. The usual pamphlets. And of course our SIM removal tool. We've got our USB Type-C cable. And our fast charging power brick. We'll put all that aside. Let's peel the plastic off the phone, if I can. But there's the phone in that rather beautiful blue indigo color. And they did include a case with it, just your typical flimsy TPU case, but I think it's nice that they include a case. So it's a nice looking phone. It's got that usual camera hump that you find on the Moto G phones. It sticks out a bit. Probably gonna have to get a case to cover that. It feels good in the hand. It's got nice rounded corners to help with grip. Let's power it on. And now we're ready to set up. So I will get this set up and get back to you. So now we're all booted up. It gave me the option of using Nova launcher, so I took that. I may change the launcher, we'll see. So here's a look at the overall specs of the device. So we'll take a look around the phone. Up front, there's our 8 megapixel front camera and our one speaker up top. At the bottom, of course, our fingerprint sensor. On the right side, our volume up and down buttons and our power button. On the left side, nothing. On the bottom, our USB Type-C in and our headphone jack. Up top, our SIM tray. And you can have dual SIMs and an SD card, and our microphone. Around back, clean up those fingerprints. Our dual camera and flash, little Moto branding, and one more microphone. So Moto decided not to release the Moto G6 Plus in America. Why, I don't know, but it does have all the bands for T-Mobile, and it is higher spec than the Moto G6 and the Moto G6 Play. So all in all, I think we've got a really nice phone here for a good price. $415 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'll be comparing this with some other phones. They'll take it through its paces. So that's my unboxing. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. Yeah.